This is Computer Tech World. Computer Tech World. Computer Tech World.
ಪ್ರಿಯ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ನೀವಿನ್ನೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲವೇ? ಹಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಈ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಲು ಈ ಐಕಾನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Hige magicale matra, navu matuvella vitioga lanno nive mogalu pavedu folla mafudu. Tanya magagalu, tanya magagalu, tanya magagalu.
Lesson 4. Types of computers. Computers can be broadly classified by their speed and computing power are as follows. One, PC, personal computer. It is a single-user computer system having moderately powerful microprocessor. 2, workstation. It is also a single-user computer system, similar to personal computer however has a more powerful microprocessor. 3, mini computer. It is a multi-user computer system, capable of supporting hundreds of users simultaneously. 4, mainframe. It is a multi-user computer system, capable of supporting hundreds of users simultaneously. Software technology is different from mini-computer. 5, supercomputer. It is an extremely fast computer, which can execute hundreds of millions of instructions per second. PC, personal computer. A PC can be defined as a small, relatively inexpensive computer designed for an individual user. PCs are based on the microprocessor technology that enables manufacturers to put an entire CPU on one chip. Businesses use personal computers for word processing, accounting, desktop publishing, and for running spreadsheet and database management applications. At home, the most popular use for personal computers is playing games and surfing the internet. Although personal computers are designed as single-user systems, these systems are normally linked together to form a network. In terms of power, nowadays high-end models of the Macintosh and PC offer the same computing power and graphics capability as low-end workstations by Sun Microsystems, Hewlett-Packard, and Dell. The second type of computer you may be familiar with is a laptop computer or a laptop. Laptops are battery or AC-powered personal computers that are more portable than desktop computers, allowing you to use them almost anywhere. Workstation. Workstation is a computer used for engineering applications, CAD/CAM, desktop publishing, software development, and other such types of applications which require a moderate amount of computing power and relatively high-quality graphics capabilities. Workstations generally come with a large, high-resolution graphics screen, large amount of RAM, inbuilt network support, and a graphical user interface. Most workstations also have mass storage device such as a disk drive, but a special type of workstation, called diskless workstation, comes without a disk drive. Common operating systems for workstations are Unix and Windows NT. Like PC, workstations are also single-user computers like PC but are typically linked together to form a local area network, although they can also be used as standalone systems. Mini computer. It is a mid-size multiprocessing system capable of supporting up to 250 users simultaneously. Mainframe. Mainframe is very large in size and is an expensive computer capable of supporting hundreds or even thousands of users simultaneously. Mainframe executes many programs concurrently and supports many simultaneous execution of programs. Supercomputer. Supercomputers are one of the fastest computers currently available. Supercomputers are very expensive and are employed for specialized applications that require immense amount of mathematical calculations, number crunching. For example, weather forecasting, scientific simulations, animated, graphics, fluid dynamic calculations, nuclear energy research, electronic design, and analysis of geological data, e.g. in petrochemical prospecting, PCs and Macs. PC. Personal computers come into main styles, PC and Mac. Both are fully functional, but they have a different look and feel, and many people prefer one or the other. A Mac. PC. This type of computer began with the original IBM PC that was introduced in 1981. Other companies began creating similar computers, which were called IBM PC compatible, often shortened to PC. Today, this is the most common type of personal computer, and it typically includes the Microsoft Windows operating system. Mac, the Macintosh computer, was introduced in 1984, and it was the first widely sold personal computer with a graphical user interface, or GUI, pronounced GOEY. All Macs are made by one company, Apple Incorporated, and they almost always use the Mac OS X operating system.